Hey guys, this is Amelia back. Welcome to my channel. So here we are now. It's been like about 2 months since I did half red, half orange. So right now this is the orange side. This is the red. It did okay for what was done, but today I'm about to be doing a mystery color. It's gonna be red, but I'm gonna mix a few different colors. I have Racy wine and ruby red, and I'm just gonna mix them together. I just want to cover all these up. This video is not gonna be that detailed, just gonna be a quick one. I'm getting ready to go to Jamaica and Tampa, so I just want to do a quick video just showing you guys like the transition, because I will be filming a vlog just about my journey and my trip. I'll be there for a few weeks, so I just want to make sure I get my hair right. And this video, like I said, is going to be a quick one, and it's not going to go into detail, so just sit back, enjoy yourself, and just watch the progress from this to the new color. So stay tuned.
Many hours later.
So I got lazy, I got tired, I didn't film anything else, but this is the result before my retwist. Everything's all red. It looks a little bit pinkish red and orange, but I kind of had a feeling it would turn out similar to that just because I know it was colored before and I had 2 different colors. So I'm actually really happy with the color. I miss being all red, you know, so I finally got it back. So obviously it's late and I will just retwist off camera and then I'll be back. So here's everything. I'm gonna do a link check.
Three hours later.
Hey guys, so I just finished. It's 5:26 a.m. It took me longer than I've ever taken. But this is the color. It's just red, you know. And I did a retwist tonight because it was just too rough for me. So was it worth it? I mean, yeah, but it took too long. I'm tired, but at least my hair looks pretty. Thanks for staying on my journey, and I'll see you guys for the next one.